Hey guys, it's Aidette, and today I am doing another thrift store haul. I know that you guys love when I do these thrift store hauls, and today I'm going to be doing a small little twist because I'm going to be doing a DIY with some of the pieces that I have right here. I will be showing you guys exactly what I got these pieces for. So I will be getting an ugly shirt, transforming it into something very cute and simple that you can do very quickly and fast. If you guys would like some more DIYs like this and thrift store hauls, and also follow me around at thrift stores, then let me know down below and I will definitely do those for you guys. So the first piece that I have right now, I actually have it on. So this is a black little lace bralette. I can throw this on under a see-through mesh shirt and it'll look very pretty and classy. And then I also picked up this very vintage-esque skirt. So this is like that really nice fleece material. It's super cute. So normally I would pair this skirt with a white bralette. So if you guys do have a white bralette, even this black one goes, but I feel like the white would look a lot more fresh and cleaner, and then put like a cute little white cardigan over it. And then I also picked up this top right here. This one is very open, so as you can see, it just flaps open like this, but this is just a black little turtleneck crop. This piece here is very different. It doesn't have any sides at all, so you do see all of this bralette action going on the side, but I think it's very cute if you pair it with like some nice high-waisted jeans. So here are the jeans that I was talking to you guys about. So these are how the jeans fit. I love them. These are a size 4. I'm surprised that they fit me because I'm usually like a size 5. So these fit perfectly. I believe these are by LEI, but these look so freaking good. I am obsessed. So what I did with this top is I tucked it under to my bra, so the back flap is still open. So since the bralette is underwired, it is completely secured under your bra and it's not going to be going anywhere. And it just looks like very 90s. You're just strolling out in the park. And for my next purchase, this one is a very proud one because I only got this for like $6 or $8. Like, holy freaking crap. These two colors together, they're very 90s, very 80s, 90s, and I completely love it. So it's like this thick windbreaker, and it is just so vintage and cute. This is what it looks like here. It just has this neon pink, which if you guys know me, I am obsessed with pink. So we have that cobalt blue and then we have that neon pink going on. This is the back. It goes down to like covering my butt. I love this look. It reminds me of like an 80s Barbie vibe where she's out like snowboarding with her big coat. And next up we have this big plain fuchsia tee. It's more like a hot pink, and you guys know I love my pink, so I would definitely just wear this as a t-shirt dress because keep in mind, I'm 5'1", so I can pretty much get away with wearing these as dresses very often. So if I was to wear it as a dress, it would look like this. So if I'm not wearing this big tee as a t-shirt dress, I would chop it up to be right here, so I would kind of make it to where you guys can see some under boob. But in my case, I would be cropping it like right here just so you can see my little bralette peeking through. I think that that would be super pretty either with a black bralette or with a white bralette. So just picture it like this, and if you guys want to know how to do that, then let's just roll the DIY. I'm gonna be measuring up my shirt, so from shoulder to shoulder right here. So I'm gonna want it to be like right here. That should be perfect, so cut all straight across and you should be good. Okay guys, so here is my shirt all laid out, and as you guys can see, here is where I put my marking. And I'm gonna be taking some sharp scissors. I got these from the grocery store just because they are super sharp. So we're just gonna be going straight across. I'm gonna be going right up like this. So what I like to do is I like to come to the very top of my marking and just make a little imaginary line. So also for this one, I am going to be going kind of like in a curvature because I did make it a little bit higher to where the sleeve is. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start from right over here and then go into like a curve, go over, and then come back down into a curve, just so we don't mess with this little hem right here. Now here we are at the curve. I'm just gonna be going in like this. Perfect. Do not mind the mess in my studio room right now. It was quite the mess when I was over here, you know, filming a little video for you guys. But here is the DIY top. Look at how freaking cute. And I said that it was gonna be more of like half my boob, but this one I cut it a little bit too much. So this of course would look super cute with some mom jeans. I would wear them with more of like a light wash and some jeans that go up to here. I have my Calvins that are over there, perfect for this look. And you guys see how I made you guys do that little curve? That's why. So, and my next purchase is this one right here. It's this little vintage top that brought back so many memories. It brought back memories to when I would spend the 4th of July with my family. We would crack fireworks and it was just such an amazing time. So what I wanted to do, so let's try this little top on. It says USA 2001 and that's why I loved it. I love the vibes of it. It just reminds me of my childhood. So this is the fit. I love this. Look at how vintage this looks together. This is so freaking cute. For me, if you guys don't know, I love my crop tops. So I am going to go ahead and make it under booby like this. And if you guys want to see how to do that, then let's just roll the next for this USA top. I'm just gonna measure it up like the last one. And I want the USA to still show. I think like right here would be good. And we're gonna be cutting right above this line again, just straight across. Yes! Perfect. So this is what she is looking like a little baby tee. So this is the USA top, very cute, super short. So if you want to be risque, you don't have to wear the bralette, but I'm not that risque, so I'm gonna be wearing a white bralette under. But this is what it looks like, and I think it's super cute. So this is what it looks like from the back, very short, but this would also look very cute if you were having a beach day and you wore like a neon pink bikini under, and then just your bottoms. Cute. Now moving on to this purchase here, we have a baby pink collared shirt. So this one is of course normal length, so we're gonna throw this right on and I'm gonna show you guys exactly what I was planning to do with this top. So this top alone is super cute. You can wear it buttoned up, you can wear it buttoned down. So if I wasn't to do anything with it, if I wasn't to customize it, DIY it, I would just wear it open like this, you know? So super fun, very fresh and cute. So this one's just a very simple DIY. All you have to do, since it is here like past my butt, I'm going to take both of the sides and I am just going to tie it here in the front, tie it together. There you go. Here's your top. Literally didn't have to do any cutting or anything. I was actually very skeptical about this piece because I said, am I really gonna be able to transform it into something cute? But what I was thinking is I could wear this with a white bralette, just like this one, and then have like a little studded gem necklace choker. And also, if you want a little bit more scandal, which is something that I probably would do. And there you go. This is gonna be the look. So just imagine this with a little mini skirt. This is a reversible top. So here you have the purple band. And if you flip it on the other side, you guys can see that it is gray or like a metallic silver. And also while we're here, I'm going to be matching up my little bralette with this gorgeous coat, windbreaker, whatever you want to call it. I got this for $8, guys. These run for like $80. Can we just talk about the perfect match? So it does have lavender here on the trim, and then the rest of it is like this beautiful periwinkle color. I love this color, so just together, so cute. I would normally probably wear these with like, I don't know, some sweats. The inside has this fleece lining, so pretty. And another bralette that I picked up is this white lacy one. This one does kind of have like some support, even though it doesn't have underwire. It has like a thick band underneath. And I also picked up two beanies. These are like the epitome of Nickelodeon beanies. I got a bright orange one and a green one, so love these. This one matches my background very well. This one was actually a steal because this was only $1 and it was from PacSun. You guys all know that PacSun is mad expensive. It is like, I don't even know, $30 for a beanie. Ooh, cute, cute, cute. This is so cute. Love this. Okay, but with this windbreaker from earlier, oh, whoa, why is she being floppy? Is this one supposed to be like long? I think this one's supposed to be long. Yep. Okay, she's cute or whatever. She's real cute. Okay, and here we have this top right here. This is a hot pink turtleneck. This was a steal for me because I think I got this for like $2 or $3, and I love pink, as I said like a billion times before, and I also have been loving turtlenecks for the cold season. Here she is, and with this, I'm not sure if I want to DIY it or not, but I feel like it is a little bit loose and baggy, so all I'm really gonna do with this crop is just crop it, but normally. So the other ones I've been giving you guys some under boob, but I'm going to show you guys how to perfectly crop it right under your boobs, so it's more of like a modest look. So it'll be something kind of like this here. So the other ones are showing a lot of boobage, but what we're going to do for this one, since I do want it to be a little bit more just normally cropped, I'm going to put it shoulder to shoulder once again, grab our marker, and I'm just going to be going right below the boob. There we go. So now looking at this little mama right here, we are going to cut straight across from above this line right here. So this one here is not as dramatically cut as the other ones, because obviously this one is just a normal crop, but I am going maybe like 1.5 inches a little bit above the marking that I made, because I know that it's gonna look a lot longer on me once I put it on. And then here is this one right here. I think that this might actually be my favorite DIY that I did, because I love wearing turtlenecks with jeans like this. So this is gonna be a very fun look for me to do later on my Instagram. So peep this on my Instagram very soon. So I just cropped it, but at a, you know, modest length. This is what this top looks like. Very cute, very 90s, I feel like, as well. So as you guys can see, it's pretty loose at the bottom, and I'm not a big fan of that. I like my clothing to be a little bit on the tighter side, on the fitted side. So what I'm gonna do with this, I'm not gonna be doing any cutting. So whenever I want to make something tighter and I don't want to do any of that sewing, any of that stuff, so I'll go through the back like this. I will stretch it and twist it into a knot. And since I do have a bralette under, we do have something to hook this little piece under. And tuck it into your bra straps. It just looks like the design is literally like this, just knotted in the back. So with this look, I would definitely style it with what I'm already wearing right now, just with some vintage jeans. Okay, so this is the next two pieces. So I switched out my pants. I am wearing some Adidas track pants. These are more of like the yoga pants actually, but they are so comfy. And so just ignore these two pieces together. They're not supposed to be together. But I also have this white corset, and it is so pretty. I think I only got this for like $3. So cheap. Literally everything here was under $10. I love this. It's such a baby doll look, so this will look very cute with any of the pieces that I got here that are open. And as for the bottoms, I got these Adidas yoga pants, and then I did get some athletic wear. So I got these Nike Pro shorts, which run for like $20-30 for $3. I was so shook, and these are in a size large in women. And then of course I picked up this neon pink sports bra, and also I meant to pair this up with the Adidas pants that I showed you guys a little bit ago. This is a fleece jacket, and this I mainly got it because it says Beverly Hills Polo Club, and I thought that that was very like, so this is seriously a dress on me. So you can either keep the collar down or pop it up like this. So this is the look, and then pop on my chunky Fila's, and we call it a look. And we can even throw on a black dad hat, and you look comfy and cozy while you're running your errands. And then for the last two items that I got are some pretty slip dresses. So this is what the first piece looks like. It just has the red lacy bralette type look, and then it has the silky material. And then we also have this pink one that looks like it's from Victoria's Secret, but honestly you just got it for $3. So it has that little baby doll look to it, baby pink, some black trimming, and it's ruffly, super cute. This is how the length looks on me, so it would be like right here, right in the center of my thighs, and then this one's pretty much the same length. So yeah, that was my video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope that you guys liked the mini DIYs. I promise later on I will get a little bit more intricate with the DIYs. I'll be putting some jewels on them. I'll be completely scrapping them up from old to very bougie looking very soon. But for now, I did some little basic techniques that you guys could do with any of your thrift store clothing. Thank you guys so much for watching once again, and I will talk to you guys in my next video.